Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. Today we're doing an unboxing of the LG Life's Good UHD TV 4K. It's a 49-inch model. So upwards and onwards, it's a HDR Pro, 123 centimeters. Comes with the cat. No.
That's the model 650V.
Yeah. Okay, so model 49UH65. UH65. Those are the standard features with it. Optional cat extra. Okay, let's get on with the unboxing. This was given to both of us as a present because I've just turned 50. Oh my god, I couldn't think what else I wanted, so the only thing that we were given with this ancient television. And we've lost the remote for it, so there you go. Yeah. Stop moving.
Anything boxes.
Aye. We'll get the cat to set the TV up actually, because he'll know what he's doing. Right, so we'll pause this a minute. So inside the box itself, it's got two like chrome gunmetal finish legs. Get mad. This is actually a plastic construction. I'll show you to the light a bit. Yeah. So I've just took it out of the box. Comes with an instruction manual and a remote control.
And I just need to work out where the legs go.
I'm going to grab this cat. What we're going to do now is just put these legs in. All you do is you have 3 screws in each one. Is it 2 or 3 screws?
2 in each of them.
2 in each, and they just drop in like that. So
just pass me a cushion just so I can lift it.
You pass it yourself, woman. Okay, it's a handy idea when you're putting the feet on, just put a cushion under it and it raises up the back end so you can get screw on those.
Just so you're not putting any weight on the legs.
Yeah, that's it. Right, so that's the TV all up and running. There's the feet. So you can get an idea of a piece of shit telly that was kindly given to us, but it is a sack of shit. You compare that to that. There's a remote that comes with it. It's a nice little dinky thing. LG. I'll tell you the one thing I noticed about this TV, it's really light, as it's got a really nice chrome beveled edge to it that gives it a nice quality feel. So yeah, there's the spec on it. That's the spec on it. Okay, that's what it looks like when it starts up. That's just some of the crap on the floor, all the bump. That's it. I can't show any more because it's copyright and with everything else. But that's basically what it looks like on a decent sized living room. Do you want to stand next against it, Rachel?
No.
Yeah. Okay. So that's me, 6'2", lanky git from the north. That's like you say, it's good telly, good for games and stuff, and yeah, big improvement. Hope they help you out, guys. Right, I'm going to get off and get up to tea now. See you later.